Hey there, Aniket here. Welcome to my AniTech channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you unboxing and review of an back cover. So this back cover is of Flipkart Smartbuy back cover for my Lenovo K6 Power. So I bought from Flipkart as usual. So I've got this one for 150 rupees and the real cost is 599. So let's start the unboxing. So this was a package which I saved today. So let me open it now. So this I bought in the Flipkart No Kidding Days sale, that is April full days, 1st and 2nd April. So let's open it now. So you get a box like this, the retail box. So let me open this one also. Yeah, very hard packing. Yeah, I've opened it. So let me open it now properly. Okay, you get another Flipkart branded box. So this is the thing you get. Let me show you more closely. Let me show what they have written here. So this is made in China and it is imported and marketed by Nexa based marketing. So this was the thing, and the MRP of this quoted on this is 599. Yeah, 600. So let me open now. Yeah, so here's the case. Nothing inside. So it comes in a plastic film cover. Let me open it now. Yeah, so here it is. Tag. So this is the back cover of Flipkart Smartbuy. As you can see, it looks good. A sticker also over here. Let me remove this one also. Yeah. So initial impressions, it looks good. It feels nice. It's sturdy. It's more elegant. The design also of this is really nice. I like the quality and design of it. And from inside also it's nice. So it should protect your phone properly from the drops and minor drops. So it is looking good. So let us now put the back cover in the device. So this is the Lenovo K6 Power. I'll be putting it now. Let me put it from this side. Yeah, the fitting is proper.
It is the world
so it's looking good.
that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from
So this is the beard man.
what truth?
So from the bottom part you can see it like this.
That you are a
This is
slave.
the thing from here. Top view, side view, and the back view and the front view. So what should I say? Initial impressions. Yeah, for 150 it's okay. I can say not that great deal, but as you can see, I'm feeling that the buttons should have come a little bit more this side. I think so. Yeah, I think so. There's an con over here. Yeah. So it's not fitting properly, or it's at the sides. I have to do something now. I have to do anything. So yeah. So I know, but the other things are really good. No problem in that. Yeah. And for the cutting for the camera, it's also really good, as you can see. Show you more clearly. So this and the cutting for the speaker also is good. Show you. But for the buttons, they're not going properly. As you can see, they're sticking to each other. So I'll be having problem with that. And good, everything is fine now. But only one thing is the bad. This thing. So this was the thing, unboxing of this.
Do you want to know?
So this is Flipkart Smartbuy own brand. So looking good, okay, but I don't feel the fitting is good, as you can see on this
It is
side.
all around us.
So thank you for watching.
Even
This was
now,
AniTech
in this
Channel
very
signing
moment,
off. So please don't forget to
see
like and subscribe
look
my
out
channel and
your
also
window,
do share the
or when you
video.
come
So
on
thank you for
television.
watching. Bye bye.
You can